Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a really simple way how you can change favicon or how you can add favicon in Prestashop. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here on design, and here you just want to simply click on theme and logo, and then you're gonna see like favicon here. So what you want to do is like, is this a small icon that appears in browser tabs next to the title? Okay, and just click browse and just add it there. So that's how you simply do it. And yeah, if you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you. And goodbye. So again, you will go design, theme and logo and favicon and just browse it and save it. So goodbye.